Hey guys, thank y'all for tuning in. If you've been watching the videos, you've been seeing that we're doing a little mask trilogy. We're making all the different masks from the Friday the 13th series. Pretty much every single movie. We got part 3 right here. We got part 4 right here. If you want to see how to make these, you can go ahead and jump on my channel. They're in there. I did a full build on both ones. And what we're going to do is part 5, actually. If you watched the first video, part 5 has 2 different masks in it. We got the one kind of like this one here. And then you have a white one with blue chevrons. This is going to be the white one with blue chevrons. This is pretty much the copycat killer that was pretending to be Jason going around killing people. So we're going to make this one in this video and keep going on with all the rest of them. But I want to make each and every single one separate for you guys so that if you want to get on here and do the same thing, make your own masks so you can hang them on your wall in your little horror room. Then this would be an easy way to do it. Let's get with it. Alright, first things first, we got our little mask here. What we want to do is I got the sandpaper substance. What's cool is I don't have to cut this mask, I just got to sand it. So this is one of them little scuff pad sanding pieces you can get at Walmart in the paint section. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to rough this up so they don't shine no more. You can see the shine on it when you look sideways on the light. So that's how you'll kind of tell what you need to hit and what you don't need to hit. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to sand her down real quick. Okay, there you have it. So you get it nice and sanded down so that your paint's going to stick to the surface. If you don't sand it, more than likely it's just going to fall off. These are flexible masks. If you flex it at all, it's going to crack and come off. So it only takes a second. Just sand it down real quick and you'll be ready to go. So with this one, what's going to be cool is I've been using that satin meringue paint for all of them. This one I'm actually going to use a white, because that's what color the mask was in the movie. It was white with blue chevrons. It's going to be completely different than what we've been doing on our other 3 masks. So it's going to be kind of cool. I'm looking forward to that. So what we'll do now is I'm going to run up, put some Dawn soap on it, wash it all off so I can get all my oils and greases off of my fingers, off of the mask. Because then the paint will get a nice old stick. And we'll be right back. We'll get ready to paint her. Okay, now that we got her all sanded and washed off, what I'm going to do is, I just got a cheap Walmart brand paint. Hopefully it works good. Spray paint is getting expensive anymore. I don't know if you damn kids out there are tagging up all these trains and stuff or the root cause of this. Are you? I don't know. But you used to be able to get one of these for like $1 and now they're like $6. So this is a cheap spray paint. Unfortunately, I got a white gloss white, which isn't going to be a problem. So what I'll do is I kind of wanted it to be more of a flat color, even though I'm going to do a light semi-gloss clear on this at the end. I don't really want this to be too glossy, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray 1 coat of this white gloss on this mask, and then afterwards I'm going to let it dry really good, and I'm going to come back with that same little scuff pad that I used earlier to sand the whole thing. And I'm going to do a light sanding on it. What that's going to do is take away that gloss finish, hopefully, and turn it into more of a matte finish. So then we can get more of our stuff to stick on it. So that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to run out in the garage and I'm going to go ahead and paint this. Alright, another little tip, guys. Take some blue tape and cover up these snaps. These 3 up here. You don't have to do the bottom 2 because in the movie the actual snaps are painted along with the mask and then scratched off. So if you don't feel like doing this part, if it's kind of a pain in the butt for you to tape, you can paint them and then come back with your knife and scrape off the top parts, because what you're wanting to do is kind of clear it up so that when you get your snaps on there, they hold nice and easy. So quick and easy little thing to do before you paint it. Just like so. We're ready to paint her. All right, there it is, nice and painted up white. This paint took forever to dry. Plus it's got that gloss on it. I think that's why it's taking so long to dry. So if anything, if you can possibly find a flat white or even a primer white, probably work better. I'm gonna try to scuff this up. I hope it doesn't scratch it all up, but I'm gonna just lightly sand over it to get the gloss off of it so that I can get this other stuff to stick to it. Okay guys, now what you can do is you can take your knife and you want to put some scars into the plastic, make it look like he beat it up a little bit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of gray and a little bit of black, mix it together. Put a little water in there. Okay, so now I got a grayish black color. Take a piece of cloth. Okay, now what I did was I added a little bit more water to what I had mixed up to do this in. And I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my airbrush. A lot in there. Okay. Now we'll just go ahead and do a little airbrushing on it real quick. Okay guys, there you go. After the airbrushing and painting, it looks pretty good, I think. I'm liking it a lot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run out to the garage. I got some of this semi-gloss clear, and I'm going to go ahead and shoot the mask with it just to seal in all that paint. This is going to be a semi-gloss. It's going to be a little bit of a gloss color to it, or it'll be more clear, and it should make it look pretty good. Actually, it looks pretty good the way it is. I'm pretty happy with the turnout on this one. So let's run out to the garage. We'll go ahead and shoot a layer on this, and I'll bring it back in, show it to you guys, see what it looks like when it's completely finished. Alright guys, she's all dry. I'll peel these little paint marker covers off. We'll take and put the head strap thingamadooey back on. And we got ourselves a done mask. Check it out. I think this is almost one of my favorites. I kind of like this one. I like the blue. I think it looks pretty cool. Turned out pretty good. Anyway, see, as easy as it is, get one of these done, no problem. Got quite a little collection behind me here. As soon as I'm done with all of them, I'm going to go ahead and shoot a video of all of them all together. Show them to you guys. Still working on a couple more, so we got this one knocked out. Should have a couple more videos coming out, and then I got 1, 2, 3. I think I got 3, I don't know, 4 or 5 more masks to go in order to completely get the whole collection done. Besides the Jason X, I can't get the part 1 and part 2. I'll probably actually have to buy those and then fix them. But anyway, there that one is, part 5. Well, there's the one off of part 5 as well, when he's Jason himself, and this is the copycat guy. So got him done. That's been 3 videos in one day. I'm gonna space them out, of course, but yeah, I've been working my tail off all day doing these masks so we can get them done for Halloween. By the way, happy Halloween if I haven't talked to you again, which I will here in a little bit, so I'll tell you again. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you did, if you watched the whole thing, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch the next one coming out. We got a bunch more of these coming out, so turn on that notification bell so you know when it comes out. I'll see you all later. Peace.